Well, you're telling me they can make an ukulele out of a bamboo tree? What? I don't believe it. But somehow they did. This is the Kala KA-BMB Concert Bamboo model. Check this out. This thing's really cool. All right, so welcome to Uke Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter. I'm blown away by this for several reasons, and I'm going to tell you that in just a second. But anyway, welcome to the channel. We do ukulele reviews, we do tutorials, we do giveaways, we do challenges. We also do some guitar lady and baritone. Make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. That way you don't miss anything that we post right here, and we post a lot. Anyway, these are new to my store. What store could that be? You know what it is. Come on, #1 store online. That's the store.ukelikeThePros.com. And I was a little hesitant. I was like, the bamboo. I was like, I don't know. But then when I got them, I was like, what? How did they do this? First of all, how did they make an ukulele out of bamboo? And let me tell you, everything is bamboo on this thing. Everything. It's all bamboo. Well, maybe not the tuners, but everything's bamboo. And under $130 for all solid wood concert ukulele. That is, that is absolutely ridiculous. Most solid woods, even solid tops, are like around $300, let alone all solid wood, $300-400 minimum. So all solid wood for under $130, around $130, absolutely insane. All right, let's do some playing. I'm going to go over all this thing with you, and I want to know what you think about it. But let me do some playing first. Still going. What do you think so far? Leave a comment below just on that little sound sample of what you think. I'm going to go over. I'll tell you what my opinions are towards the end of this thing. All right. So check this out. It's solid. It's all solid bamboo. All solid top bamboo. Really nice. Really pretty looking uke. Really blonde. It's got the nice straight lines. Solid. On the sides too. No laminate on the sides. All solid bamboo. It does have a strap button, which is really nice. And then solid on the back as well. So overall, it's a really pretty looking uke. Like I said, I don't even know how they make a ukulele. Bamboos are like, well, I don't know. They probably get big, but they're round, like small and round and hard. So how did they get it? I don't know how they do it, but I think the results are really cool. Fantastic price, like I said, and all solid wood. And when I say they bambooed everything, I don't know if you remember the Call of Sparkle video, dude. I said, they sparkled everything. Well, they bambooed everything on this one. Besides the bamboo body all around, right? All solid wood. They got a bamboo bridge. They got a bamboo neck. They got a bamboo headstock. They even got a bamboo fretboard. They literally put a bamboo everywhere that you could bamboo everything. So what's cool about bamboo is that it grows so fast, that it's really one of the eco-friendly woods out there. So anyway, kind of a cool idea for this ukulele. Again, this is a concert size for this one. Let me do a little finger pick and I'll go over the dimensions and stuff because I know you want to know that stuff. All right, what do you think of the bamboo sound? By the way, thanks for being here and smashing that like button. All right, let's go over the rest of it. I'll tell you my opinion here in just a second. All right, so you do have, like I mentioned, the bamboo neck. This is all a satin finish, by the way, on this one. What I do like is you have the slotted headstock, and you do have the nice tuners here. They're actually pretty nice tuners. And then you have the black. I like the black nut and saddle. And then we got a concert, right? So 15 inches from the nut to the saddle, and then 1 3/8 right here on the nut. So anyway, what do you think of this thing? I feel like it's cool that it's really eco-friendly. I think that's a really cool thing. I think it's cool that it's all solid wood that you can get for around $130, which is a really great price. It does have the strap button on it, which is really cool. And I kind of like that they bambooed everything. It's just kind of cool. It has a unique look. It's actually a very pretty looking wood as well. Let me do one more little piece. What should I do? Just a blues? I always do a blues. Let's do a little blues, and I'll tell you exactly what I think of this thing right here. All right, little blues. You know I love the blues. Try to change it up a little bit, like blues, a little Story Monday, a little bunch of different stuff. All right. Again, store.ukulelethepros.com if you're digging this thing. They do come in tenor, I think soprano. This is a concert version of it. All right, so bamboo, what I've noticed with it, it's a little bright sounding. So it's got a little bit of a bright, crisp sound to it. I feel like it's a little tight, but I think that's one of those things that I think as you play it over time, I think it's going to kind of loosen up a little bit. That's real typical of all ukuleles with it, but it is bright. It does cut through, has a lot of projection on it. And again, I just think it's a great looking ukulele. I like that it's all solid wood, and I do like that it's eco-friendly and good for the environment because that bamboo grows so much. So anyway, leave your comments below what you think of this one. And by the way, if you haven't done so already, become part of the Ukulele Pros Nation, ukulelethepros.com. We got courses for everything. Ukulele, guitar lay, baritone. We got a premium membership. We got free stuff. So just get over there, become part of the nation. You will not be disappointed. So anyway, I appreciate you being here. Again, this is a Kala KABMBC, which is our concert version of the all bamboo. Store.ukulelethepros.com. Thanks for the comments and the smashing the like button, the subscribe, all that kind of stuff. You know the drill. But anyway, that's going to do it for me. I'll see you in the next one.